At Simon, the battle over border security has heated up. Governor Greg Abbott has issued an executive order authorizing the Texas National Guard and the Department of Public Safety to return migrants to the border. Rainer Rodriguez spoke with local experts and civil rights activists on the legality and effectiveness of that order.
It's a broken system. We need to fix it. There are other ways of doing it.
Local LULAC leader Dr. Nick Adame reacting to Governor Abbott's executive order, saying it's a waste of taxpayer money and the organization will be looking at the implications this measure will have in the future.
We have to maintain the humanitarian aspect of what we do as an organization and look for any civil rights violations.
Abbott authorizing the Texas National Guard and Texas Department of Public Safety to apprehend and return undocumented immigrants to the border.
Governor Abbott's position is that when the federal government does not act, then the states have the right to act.
Many are also questioning the legality of the governor's newest order.
According to a recent Supreme Court decision, no, it's not legal. The federal government has the sole authority to handle immigration matters.
Berks County Judge Eric Ramos says the measure is right in line with Abbott's political agenda.
It's not that there's not a problem. There is a problem. The problem is Governor Abbott's running for re-election, and he seems to want to use the state and state resources as his political campaign fund. And it's just not appropriate.
When and how the order will be carried out is unclear. We reached out to DPS in a message. Spokesperson Lieutenant Christopher Olivares said the department is acting under the direction of the governor's executive order and unable to discuss specifics.
There is likely that this executive order may be appealed, and then there may be a new law coming out.
Rainer Rodriguez.